Well, we're out for a little different ride today. We're on the Trek bike, but it looks different, so stick around. Well, hello again, Internet. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, we are out on the Trek bike today, and but we put it back into, we've taken it off of the off-road, okay? And so we've taken it from this and turned it in to this right here. Well, what all did we do in order to do that? Is if we start up here at the front, well, we put a mirror back on it. These grips were already on for the off-road. I actually had to chop the end out. Let's go ahead and make this turn. I'm wearing my Loomis helmet today, and I'm using the phone to control it because I'm on a solo ride. And I've got the remote attached to the handlebars on the Bike Tricks bike. But we went ahead and mounted the mirror. We actually put the throttle back on, but it's not connected. I probably could have just left that off, but I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not against if somebody wanted to purchase this bike. You know, that seems to be a big selling point for a lot of people. I don't know, maybe I'll just unbolt it and take it back off. It's just hanging there right now as far as the wire and everything, but I just thought, you know, if somebody offers to buy it, they're going to want it to have a throttle, and so they got to see that it has a throttle, and then I'll just have to plug it in, show them that it works. But we did that. We put a headlight on it. I did not put the stock light that comes with a Bafang kit on for one reason. I don't know how well you can see this. The sun is kind of shining, but I just turned on the stock light, and what that does is it puts the display into the nighttime mode. And so I don't like that because I'm typically using the light now for daytime running lights. So we've got a daytime running light up here. Of course, we put our phone mount back on here. This is the bigger one. I'm not worried about it being so stealth now. We put a bell back on this. It did not have a bell on it earlier. What else did we do? We raised up the handlebars a little bit to get it in a little bit more upright position for longer rides. And we put a kickstand back on it. We also put the toe peak rack and the toe peak bag back on. And we just put a tail light on the toe peak bag. It's a pretty good tail light. I don't think I'm going to go through the field today. We've just put this bike back on a road. It's bad enough I'm on a gravel road. But that's what we've done with it. You know, am I going to retire the Bike Tricks bike? No, not by any stretch. I still am not crazy about all the maintenance that happens on a bike like this one right here when you're putting very high mileage on them. So the Bike Tricks is good for that, but it may make a few more appearances out on the greenways. This is good for me to just throw onto my car and take off, you know, on just a little trunk rack. I can head off to a greenway through the week when I'm just going solo. And I can still do some light trail work with it if I run across some when I'm out somewhere. That's a big plus on this right here as well. So that's what we've done. You know, I just wanted to come in and give you guys a little bit of an update on what's going on. If you like this and want to see some of these trips that Michelle and I take, make sure you hit that subscribe and hit that bell. A little teaser, about 10 days, we're on our way to our next one. And so that's going to be a lot of fun. That one is going to be a lot of fun. So we'll catch up with you then, or on the next one. And hey, until the next one, it's Southern E-Bike telling you, stay safe, God bless, and keep the wheels rolling. Once again, we're out.